Hi there, I'm Adam Lane Smith, the attachment specialist, and I am here to talk to you about an easy to access resource that will help you do a number of important things in your life. It's going to help you overcome your insecurity for life so that you can trust yourself in stressful situations, connect with new friends that you can trust so you can have great conversations, and build conflict resolution skills with your partner so that you fight less often and so that arguments don't disrupt your daily life. This resource is the Attachment Bootcamp video course. The Attachment Bootcamp is a series of 13 videos that walks you step by step through the process of fixing attachment issues and building immersive relationships to help you relax, enjoy life, and feel close to the people in your life. Now, this also includes hours of bonus content where you can watch me apply the lessons from the course directly into students' relationships to troubleshoot the biggest relationship challenges, from sexual incompatibility to healing from affairs to overcoming lifelong loneliness. Now, why did I make this course? Because attachment theory is not well understood, even by most healthcare professionals and therapists, and it can be hard to find accurate information to get you the solutions that you need right now. Now, I made this course to provide a clear, easy to understand guide with no nonsense approach to understanding your behavior patterns and why they have made you miserable so far and how to change them with exact steps. And finally, a comprehensive plan for building relationships that fulfill you. Now, why me? Because I was a licensed marriage and family therapist for years before retiring to coach internationally. Attachment is my specialty. It's my bread and butter. And before that, I had attachment issues myself, and I overcame them through trial and error, and it was awful. This course is the pathway I took to go from insecure and lonely to confident and fulfilled, with simple steps that anybody can follow. I am proof that this method works, and my thousands of students who have followed the same method report the same results. People who have taken this course have had a number of amazing turnarounds. Some have overcome lifelong imposter syndrome to gain confidence and finally believe in themselves. Others have learned to trust their closest friends and to filter carefully for the best people who will bring them real companionship and opportunity in life. Others have built incredible romantic relationships after a lifetime of emotional disasters, and they found enduring love with somebody who truly adores them. And finally, there is a big group of people who have reconnected with their own children after years of feeling inadequate, alienated, and distant, so that their family finally feels whole and connected for everybody involved. If you have struggled with insecurity, if you feel like nobody cares about you, if you worry that people will reject or abandon you, if you keep finding one dating disaster after another, if you are burning out on bad love and bad friendships, and if you want to finally build relationships that are as fulfilling as you've dreamed they could be, and if you want to foster deep connections with other people, learn a better system for dating, become a great partner and parent, and find true belief in yourself as a good person, I made the Attachment Bootcamp video course just for you. So it is time to stop living in constant pain and loneliness and learn the skills that you never knew. This is your chance to learn everything you need to become confident and fulfilled in one video course. Don't miss this chance. Grab your copy right now and let's get started.